In the middle of 2025, a lady named Susie was introduced to me over a cup of coffee with some of my friends. Sinabi niya na siya raw ang nag-help nitong SLC, Elite Medical Care. Sabi ko, ano yun? Tapos doon ko nalaman sa kanya na they cater for quality cancer treatment. I've been a licensed doctor for 33 years and I've been seeing a lot of cancer patients. I hope sana there is somebody or somewhere na pwedeng mabigyan pa sila ng kung hindi man lang extension ng larynx, quality extension of lives. And struck talaga it fits in my advocacy. Advocacy kasi ang makatulong sa mga mahihirap at the same time, makatulong sa nakararami. Pinakita nila sa akin kung ano yung journey pinagdadaanan ng mga pasyenteng may cancer na gustong i-avail yung services ng SLC Elite Medical Care from the Philippines going to China. From the airport, going to Guangzhou, China, hanggang sa makarating ako sa ospital. And they were able to show me, grabe, it's an awe to me. Amazing, gano'ng kalaki yung ospital. Alam na yung compound ng ospital, alam mo parang hindi ospital, parang akala mo nasa mall ka lang, na parang ka lang nasa isang malaking community na maraming puno, maraming garden, may mga murals akong nakita, yung treatment. Nakakatuwa dito kasi nakita ko rin mga fish therapy room, yung mga traditional medicine na in-incorporate doon sa Western management, serving lives with compassion. Dito sa ginagawa ng SLC, nakita ko na hindi lang ito parang binigyan ng cancer treatment and everything, pero ano yung patient support naka-incorporate doon hanggang sa pag-uwi sa Pilipinas, may follow-up treatment. Patient focused talaga sila. I'm so grateful indeed na I was able to join them in this amazing, marvelous journey dito para ipakita sa akin, isama ako sa immersion. Okay, para ipakita sa akin how do they treat, how do they manage the patient. I was able to meet also Dr. Sam, yung kanyang pinaka main doctor. I'll be looking forward to have more station na matulungan ng SLC Elite Medical Care in the future.